Do a deep clean by the weekend.
So, Scott, when we circle back to talk about today, tomorrow, because we've extended what we're watching into Thursday morning. So what can we expect today into tomorrow?
Today to tomorrow, we're going to have those waves of freezing rain and the ice moving in. Now, tomorrow's going to get a bit more widespread, and then going into Thursday, temperatures will warm up. I wanted to show you the Dallas sky cam and start with this because about maybe 35 to 40 minutes ago, this was a bit iced over. This is about 722 feet up. So I'm noticing that it's melting a little bit. So we're seeing maybe a little bit of warmer air in parts of the atmosphere moving in, and maybe a little bit of drier air as well. So that's interesting for us. It's what we as meteorologists look for and look at to help you tell the weather story. So the satellite and radar combined shows that we are dealing with still some pockets of some light freezing rain moving through parts of North Texas, maybe some light freezing drizzle for some of us, a little bit more widespread off towards the west from Abilene, right along 20, stretching to Eastland, up to near Breckenridge, down to near the Brownwood area. So that's going to be making its way from west to east. In parts of Ellis County, the precip that we saw there has made its way well off towards the north and east, maybe tapering off just a bit. So it's scattered as we go through the next few hours. But overnight tonight into tomorrow morning, we have more on the way. We have this Pacific moisture continuing to stream its way here into North Texas. Here's the upper level low system that's still back down near the Baja, and that has to work its way northeast until we finally then clear on out. So we're seeing that Pacific moisture get pulled up here, and several waves of energy are rotating around that and moving towards North Texas. That's why we're seeing waves of rain. So you can see as this area of low pressure then finally pushes its way east, by the time we go into Friday, we're still going to be dealing with this winter precip. You see it on the roadways there in Arlington right now. Our temperatures are at 27 degrees with our winds out of the northwest at 16, making it feel like 15. We're at 26 in Bowie, 27 in Waxahachie, so very cold. Ice storm warning is in effect, goes into effect at 6 o'clock tomorrow morning through 6 in the morning on Thursday. It does include Denton County, Tarrant County, down to Johnson County and west. All the counties indicated that dark purple. Total ice accumulations up to about a half of an inch. The remainder of North Texas still under a winter storm warning, remaining everywhere else. Means that conditions still could be bad. And the first alert futurecast really picks up on these waves of precip that are moving their way on in. Here we are tomorrow morning, 7, 8, 9 o'clock to near noon. You can see how we have that freezing rain moving in. But watch the freezing line, where it's something else we're going to keep our eyes on as we go into tomorrow afternoon. Will it make its way all the way to the west? Not really. Now, in the early evening hours, the east sides of North Texas may be seeing a cold rain, but all of us really dealing with that freezing rain that's moving through. But in the overnight hours on Wednesday into Thursday, that's the freezing line we'll watch. This forecast model has it back to the west by 7 in the morning, so maybe a cold rain, but our west counties still dealing with some of that freezing rain that's moving through. And then by the time we go into Thursday afternoon, that moves out. So we've been talking about freezing rain or sleet. It all really starts as snow, and then if it's rain, the column's completely warm. Freezing rain, we have this layer of warmer air that the snow melts and falls through, then a colder layer, and then it just freezes on impact. And then sleet, you can see that that warmer air is just a little bit more thin, but still falls through that and then refreezes again. So I got to the 7-day forecast. I peeked ahead for that, Aaron, but you know, you're going to have a little bit more on that. We've been dealing with all these different types of precip causing problems on the roadways, and you know, into tomorrow, we have more on the way.
Oh, we do. So just kind of reiterating what we're looking at for the next couple of days as we continue with this stretch of first alert weather days. More sleet and freezing rain are expected tomorrow and into Thursday morning as well. So for tomorrow, a winter storm warning remains. Really, that continues right now, and it continues into tomorrow. But we're also expecting more ice accumulation, especially for some of our western counties. So as Scott showed you, there is an ice storm warning for some going into effect at 6 a.m. on Wednesday, continuing through 6 a.m. on Thursday. Tomorrow, it's the waves of sleet and freezing rain. On Thursday, it's ice in the morning, so freezing rain and some sleet in the morning, and then that freezing line continuing to move farther to the west, so finally getting above freezing as we make our way into the afternoon. So what you can expect for tomorrow, hour by hour, you notice that at 7 a.m. we still have temperatures in the mid-20s, wind chills are in the teens, and that precip coverage is at 50%. Precip coverage is going to pick up to 90%, so you barely see the temperature rise. We're being pretty aggressive with this forecast. We're keeping temperatures in the 20s. We're keeping wind chills in the teens. We've got this coverage at 90% for winter precip. I think especially around midday, that's when we're expecting most of North Texas, if not all of North Texas, to be seeing either freezing rain or sleet, maybe some with a cold rain to the east. First alert weather day continues into Thursday. We've got that winter precip in the morning, and then in the afternoon, our fingers are crossed that we see those temperatures get into the mid-30s above freezing. Finally, high pressure builds in on Friday, so it's still below freezing Friday morning, but we're done with the precip. We've got clear skies. That happens overnight into Friday, so sunny with a high of 50 on Friday, 55 on Saturday, and believe it or not, we've got low to mid-60s for Sunday and Monday, guys.